Tini metalni chiba shalmari fasalo Kanchanpur subdivision dosda adi block ni bising ko khobjagnai Khashiram Parani Great India Talent School Fiogoi Rajaka Khatadang Panda Clay Fiogoi Rika Tripura Hastini Hastafa Indrushna Reddy Nallo Pirilogio Tango Tripura Vidhan Sabha ni Speaker Rampodo Jamatia 60 number Kanchanpurni MLA Philip Kumar Ria Mahaprabhu Hare Krishna Committee ni Adong Rogni Manjak Mumbai Katal Rengnok Fiogoi Rajaka
Personal growth and national upliftment. In an area where we often speak of skill development and artificial intelligence, we must not forget the ancient soul of India. It is heartening to see that this school, guided by the global vision of the Hare Krishna movement and supported by community leaders like Sri Kamal Krishna Nath ji and Jugendra Rehan ji, stands at the crossroads of modernity and tradition, ensuring that while our children learn science and mathematics, they never lose touch with the values that have made this nation great for thousands of years. I want to acknowledge the presence of Sri Rampad Jamatia ji, the Honorable Speaker. Sri Raghav ji is not here. He sent his blessings. I know him personally. And your organization relentless work in the field of cultural education and rural development is well known, and your presence reminds us that national character is built in the classroom. To the spiritual leaders of the Hare Krishna movement, Sri Chanchalapati Dasaji and Janardana Dasaji, I have seen the remarkable work of ISKCON does globally, feeding millions, instilling discipline and teaching the timeless wisdom of the Bhagavad Gita. To bring that ethos into a formal school building in North Tripura is a gift to every tribal and non-tribal families here. And I deeply appreciate your commitment to the children of this region. The future engineers, doctors, farmers, artists and leaders of Tripura are looking here. This new building is launched for educational revolution in this area. But remember, a building without values is just a shed. What will make this a true temple of learning is a character. I urge all the students to learn three things. Sri Rampada Jamatia ji, revered Sri Chanchalapati Das ji, Vice Chairman Global Hare Krishna Movement, Venerable Sri Janardhan Das ji, President Hare Krishna Movement, Guwahati, esteemed MLA Sri Philip Kumar Ria ji, Ram Singh ji, Ganesh Senai ji, Kamal Chandranath ji, spiritual leader Bhakti Kamal Vaishnava Maharaj ji, distinguished teachers, proud parents, and most importantly the bright young students of this new school and media. Namaskar, very good afternoon to all of you. Kulumka. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. It is a matter of profound honor for me to stand here today in the beautiful region of Kashimpara, North Tripura district, to be part of the unveiling of the plaque for the new building of Mahan Bharat Pratibha Vidyalaya is not a merely ceremonial duty, it is a moment of genuine hope. Education is not just about brick and mortar, but today these bricks become the fortress of knowledge, and this mortar blinds the promise of a better tomorrow. I congratulate the Great India Talent School and the entire team behind this visionary project. What strikes me most about this institution is its name, Mahan Bharat Pratibha Vidyalaya, the School of the Talent of Great India. In this name lies a mission. We are not just creating students, we are nurturing Pratibha, which means talent, and that talent must serve two purposes.
Shape your future with technology at NALED Agartala. Under NALED, deemed to be University of Ministry of Electronics and IT, Government of India. Admissions for the 2026-27 academic session is going on. Choose from industry-focused programs including Diploma in Computer Science and Electronics Engineering, BCA, BTech in Computer Science and MTech in Data Engineering. Experience modern learning with advanced labs, expert faculty, paid internships, placement assistance, startup support, transport facility, and hostels for boys and girls. Tuition fees are free for SC and ST candidates. For enquiries, contact 0381 239 1010 or 8794 822 459.